Hi. What's this? Chicken. Chicken. Repeat. Chicken. What's this? Potato. Potato. Repeat. Potato. Potato. What's this? Beans. Beans. Repeat. Beans. Beans. What's this? Rice. Rice. Repeat. Rice. Rice. What's this? Fish. Fish. Repeat. Fish. Fish. What's this? Bread. Bread. Repeat. Bread. Bread. What's this? Beef. Beef. It's from the animal cow. Repeat. Beef. 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 What's this? Pasta. Pasta. Repeat. Pasta. Pasta. Or noodles. Pasta. What's this? Pork. Pork. Repeat. Pork. Pork. It's from the animal pig. Pork. What's this? Salad. Salad. Repeat. Salad. Salad. Great. Now, let's look and read. Chicken. Chicken. See here? Chicken. Chicken. Potatoes. 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 Beans. Beans. One syllable. Beans. Beans. Rice. 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 Fish. Fish. Right? Like inside. In. Come in. Fish. 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 Bread. 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 Similar, like the color red. Bread. 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 Beef. Right? Beef. 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 Pasta. 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 Pork. Here, O-R, or, pork, or pork, pork, pork. Salad, 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 Salad. Salad. 2 syllables. Salad. Good. Let's practice some questions. Oops. I can move this. Do you want chicken? Yes, please. Do you want chicken? Yes, please. Do you want potatoes? Yes, please. Do you want beans? Yes, please. Do you want rice? Yes, please. Do you want fish? No, thank you. Do you want bread? Yes, please. Do you want beef? No, thank you. Do you want pasta? Yes, please. Do you want pork? No, thank you. Do you want salad? Yes, please. Good job. Listen again and practice speaking and reading.